Mabuhay! I am Michaela Barasan, and here's an expanded explanation of the 12 types accommodation with example for each. Number 1. Hotel. A hotel is a commercial establishment that provides lodging, meals, and other guest services. Hotels range from budget to luxury, offering amenities such as room service, restaurants, swimming pools, and fitness centers. Example, Manila Hotel, Manila, Philippines, Shangri-La Hotel, Cebu City. Number 2. Condominium. A condominium or condo is a private residential unit within a building or complex owned by individuals, often rented out to travelers or long-term residents. They usually include kitchens, living rooms, and access to shared amenities. Example, Azor Urban Residence, Parañaque City, One Pacific Place Service Residence, Makati. Number 3. Motor Hotel or Motel. A motor hotel or motel is designed primarily for motorists. They usually have parking spaces close to rooms and easy access to highways. Example, Sogo Hotel, common in the Philippines, Red Planet Hotels. Number 4. IMS, Institutional Managed Services. IMS, accommodations are lodging facilities managed by institutions like schools, companies, or government agencies for their employees or guests. They are not open to the general public. Example, dormitories in universities, company guest houses, or military barracks. Number 5. Apartment. An apartment is a self-contained housing unit in a building, rented for short or long stays. It usually includes bedrooms, bathrooms, a kitchen, and a living area. Example, the Gramercy Residence, Makati City, Aveda Towers, Davao City. Number 6. Parador. Paradors are luxury hotels often located in historic buildings such as castles, monasteries, or fortresses. They types originated in Spain but can refer to heritage accommodations in other countries too. Example, Parador de Granada, Spain, Las Casas Filipinas de Azor, Bataan, Philippines. Number 7. Pension. A pension is a small family-run guest house offering affordable rooms and meals. It's similar to a budget hotel but with a more homely feel. Example, Pension Natividad, Manila Casa Rosario, Pension House, Cebu. Number 8. Bed and breakfast. A bed and breakfast is a small lodging establishment offering overnight accommodation and breakfast, usually operated by private homeowners. Example, Balay Toko Garden Inn, Puerto Princesa, the Henry Hotel, Cebu. Number 9. Hostel. A hostel provides budget-oriented shared accommodation, often with dormitory-style rooms and communal facilities like kitchens and lounges, popular among backpackers and students. Example, Love de Hostel, Makati, Z Hostel, Poblacion, Makati. Number 3. Campgrounds. Campgrounds are outdoor areas where travelers can set up tents, park RVs, or rent cabins. They often include restroom, picnic areas, and nature activities. Example, Mount Apo, Natural Park, camping sites, Anawangin Cove Camping Grounds, Zambales. Health Spa. A health spa offers accommodation with wellness services such as massage, saunas, yoga, and detox programs. The goal is relaxation and rejuvenation. Example, the farm at San Benito, Batangas. Nurture Wellness Village and Tagaytay. Number 12, private rooms. A private rooms in a room in a private home or apartment rented out to travelers. It provides privacy out may share common spaces like the kitchen or living room. Example, Airbnb. Lighting in Baguio or Siargao. Homestays in Sagada. And that's all. Thank you.